These are times of change and uncertainty. There are guidelines that we have been following for many years are no longer useful to meet the new challenges. Changes are so fast and dramatic that we don't have enough time to assimilate them. The speed of the delay in adapting ourselves to these new challenges is essential for the future of our society and the competitiveness of the economy. In this context, the word innovation becomes crucial, and in times of economic difficulty, this is particularly important since the ability to anticipate events is vital.